Below are several foods that can significantly contribute to the health and growth of your hair. Consider incorporating strawberries into your meals, as they not only add sweetness but also deliver a hefty dose of vitamin C. Next, enrich your breakfast with egg yolks, a top source of biotin, ensuring your hair gets the nutrients it craves for robust growth. Include lentils in your lunch for an iron boost, vital for keeping your hair cells oxygenated. To round off your meals, think about adding fatty fish like salmon, which not only enhances flavor but is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids to promote hydration and reduce inflammation in the scalp. For a green option, spinach provides not just iron, but also folate along with vitamins A and C, making it a nutrient-packed choice for your hair's health. Sweet potatoes and carrots should not be overlooked as they are high in vitamin A, playing a significant role in maintaining scalp health and promoting hair vitality. Broccoli is another excellent option to enhance your hair's strength, providing vitamins A, C, and biotin, all essential for resilience. Incorporate plain yogurt into your diet. It serves as a tasty and nutritious breakfast item packed with biotin and vitamin A, which can contribute to healthier hair. Have you ever considered adding red bell peppers to your salads? Their high vitamin C content boosts blood circulation to the scalp, supporting hair growth. Avocados are also invaluable. Their healthy fats nourish the hair follicles, establishing a robust base for growth. Don't forget about oysters, as they are rich in zinc, crucial for hair repair and growth. A handful of beans can transport nutritional support to your locks, while chicken offers lean protein to build keratin. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are great snacks that provide essential fatty acids, further enhancing your hair's health. By weaving these foods into your diet, you're setting the stage for vibrant, flourishing hair. Remember, a balanced approach is key to achieving the luscious locks you desire. As you embark on this journey to remedy your hair concerns, keep in mind that hydration plays a vital role. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your scalp nourished and your hair growing strong. In addition, managing stress through physical activity, adequate sleep, and mindfulness practices can significantly enhance your overall hair health. Taking these simple yet effective steps will complement your nutritious diet, ensuring your hair not only grows faster but also remains healthy and vibrant. Embrace these changes, and watch as your hair transforms into the beautiful locks you've always dreamed of. As you begin this journey towards healthier hair, consider the importance of maintaining a well-rounded lifestyle that supports your hair's needs. Prioritize nutrition, hydration, and care to achieve the best results. By making mindful choices in your diet and lifestyle, you can unlock the potential for beautiful, healthy hair. Remember, steady progress requires patience and consistency, but with the right approach, you will see your hair thrive and transform into the stunning locks you desire.